Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today is Tuesday, 22 March 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold rates in Saudi Arabia. But before that, I would like you to request to please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Starting with the 1 gram price of the 24 karat gold, the without VAT price is 233.83 and with VAT price is 268.90. For 22 carats gold, the without VAT price is 214.66 and with VAT price is 246.86. For 21 carats gold, 1 gram price for without VAT is 204.60 and with VAT is 235.29. For 18 carats, 1 gram price without VAT is 175.37 and with VAT is 201.68. For 14 carats, without VAT price is 136.79 and with VAT price is 157.31. For 10 carats gold, 1 gram price without VAT is 97.51 and with VAT is 112.14. And for 6 carat gold, the without VAT price is 58.46 and with VAT is 67.23. I hope you will find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please press the like button and share this information with friends so that everyone gets updated. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.